March is Hearing Awareness Month, and I'm Dr. Tom Tedeschi. I'm the Chief Audiology Officer for Miracle Ear. And did you know that 1 in 3 people today in the United States over the age of 65 have a hearing loss? Getting your hearing checked is the first step to getting better hearing. We have found in those studies that the greater the hearing loss, the faster the progression of dementia. We can't prevent dementia, but we could slow it down. You should have a regular hearing test once you're 55. You should have that every year and a half at the most. So just like when you go in for your annual physical, get your hearing checked. It's very important that you bring a loved one or someone special to you to the hearing exam with you, because there's a great deal of information that your hearing care professional will talk to you about. Also, if we demo the hearing aids with you, you have that familiar voice that you're used to hearing. And so that will help you make those decisions also. So just remember, 4 ears are always better than 2 in making those decisions. The hearing test, when you come to the Miracle Ear Centers, will take about 45 minutes. So the question you're probably asking yourself now is, how long does it take to get my test results? Well, good news, immediately. So make sure to come into a Miracle Ear Center to claim your free hearing test during our Testination event, which goes from March 10th to March 23rd.